The motorhome is widely respected in the camper and RV world for its strong truck-based chassis and dependable performance. Unlike many motorhomes that are built on lighter van platforms, the Iveco Daily uses a commercial-grade frame, which makes it ideal for heavy motorhome conversions. This solid foundation provides excellent durability, allowing the vehicle to handle long road trips, mountainous terrain, and heavy loads with confidence. Many travelers appreciate the sense of stability and safety that comes with a vehicle built for professional transport use. One of the biggest advantages of the Iveco Daily motorhome is its powerful engine options. The diesel engines are known for their reliability and strong torque, which makes driving a fully equipped motorhome much easier. Even when carrying water tanks, furniture, and travel gear, the vehicle maintains smooth acceleration and consistent performance. This capability makes it a popular choice for people who plan to travel across countries or explore remote areas. The driving experience is also surprisingly comfortable for a motorhome of this size. The cabin design is modern and ergonomic, offering supportive seats and a clear dashboard layout. Drivers often note that the steering feels precise and the suspension handles bumps well, especially compared to many traditional RVs. This makes long-distance journeys less tiring and more enjoyable for both the driver and passengers. Another highlight of the Iveco Daily motorhome is its impressive payload capacity. Because the base vehicle is designed for commercial transport, it can carry more weight than many competing motorhomes. This allows manufacturers to include more amenities inside the camper without compromising safety or performance. Travelers can bring additional equipment such as bicycles, outdoor furniture, or adventure gear without worrying about exceeding limits. Interior layouts vary depending on the motorhome manufacturer, but most conversions offer a well-organized living space. Inside, travelers typically find a compact kitchen, sleeping area, storage cabinets, and sometimes even a small bathroom with a shower. Designers carefully use every inch of space, creating a comfortable environment that feels larger than it actually is. Storage is another area where the Iveco Daily motorhome performs well. Overhead cabinets, under-seat compartments, and rear storage areas provide plenty of room for clothing, cooking supplies, and travel essentials. This thoughtful storage design helps keep the interior organized, which is especially important during long trips when space is limited. Fuel efficiency is also relatively good for a motorhome in this category. While it is naturally heavier than standard vans, the diesel engine technology helps maintain reasonable fuel consumption on highways. Many owners find that it balances power and economy effectively, making it suitable for extended travel without extremely high fuel costs. The exterior design of the Iveco Daily motorhome often looks robust and practical. Its tall structure provides enough headroom inside while still maintaining a manageable width for driving through cities or narrow roads. Large side mirrors and good visibility also help drivers feel more confident when maneuvering or parking. Safety is another strong point. The Iveco Daily platform typically includes modern safety systems such as stability control, advanced braking systems, and driver assistance features depending on the model year. These systems help maintain control in challenging road conditions and add extra reassurance during long journeys. For adventure travelers, the Iveco Daily motorhome can also be adapted for off-grid travel. Many builders equip the vehicle with solar panels, larger battery systems, and water storage tanks. This allows travelers to stay in remote locations for several days without needing campground hookups, which is ideal for people who enjoy nature and freedom. Another reason many RV builders choose the Iveco Daily is its customization potential. The strong chassis allows manufacturers to experiment with different layouts and features. Some models include luxury interiors with premium materials, while others focus on practical travel features for explorers and outdoor enthusiasts. Maintenance and service availability are also advantages. Since the Iveco Daily is widely used as a commercial vehicle in many countries, spare parts and service centers are generally easier to find compared to more specialized motorhome platforms. This reliability gives travelers peace of mind during long journeys. Owners often praise the long lifespan of the Iveco Daily platform. With proper maintenance, the vehicle can remain dependable for many years and many thousands of kilometers. This durability makes it a worthwhile investment for people who travel frequently or even live full-time in their motorhome. Despite its many strengths, the Iveco Daily motorhome is not perfect. The initial cost can be higher than smaller camper vans, and the size may require some adjustment for drivers who are used to compact vehicles. Parking in crowded urban areas can also be more challenging due to the larger dimensions. Overall, the Iveco Daily Motorhome stands out as a powerful and reliable option for travelers who want a durable and capable RV. Its combination of commercial-grade strength, comfortable interior possibilities, and strong performance makes it a favorite among motorhome builders and adventure travelers alike. For those seeking a vehicle that can handle long-distance journeys and varied road conditions, the Iveco Daily Motorhome remains an excellent choice.